So this is our video number part 3, where we're going to understand some more options: project curve, salute curve, intersection curve, and intersection point. So I'll take here center rectangle. We'll create one rectangle. We'll add the dimension to this part. I'll make this to be 20. Yes. And zoom in. Let's add this to be something 15. And I'll create some circular objects here. Let's make some circles. Now we'll make them circles to equal. Some circles become equal, some are not equal. We'll make it equal. We'll use the equal option from here. Equal radius, we'll take it and select the circles. All circles become to same radius. Let's take the option here, horizontal. We'll select this circle, this point, select this circle, and this point. We'll maintain that to be horizontal position. Apply. This circle also will do this horizontal and this to be horizontal. Apply. Now let's maintain vertically. Cancel it and take the option vertical. Touch this circle, select the center point. Touch this circle, select the center point. So that will be maintained vertically. Similarly, I'll maintain this circle and this circle to vertical. Apply. Now we can maintain the position by putting the distance and diameters. So I'll just define, by clicking on the circle, we'll define the value of this 1.5. It's okay. And now we'll define some values from this center. Touch the circle and take this point and this line. We'll add the distance of 2. And again here to here, we'll touch this and this we define this is 2. So like this way I define the position. So similarly we can define for all the other circles. We touch this, click on and this 2. So again we click on the circle, select this point and this and make it 2. So click on the circle, select the center point, select this line and make it 2. Again select the circle, select the center point, select this line and make it 2. So like this way all things are defined now. I'll finish it. Now we'll select this and make it extrude, or we keep it here, dimensions to be 5 only, and do OK. Let's make one more thing. I'll just select this part and do OK. I'll make center circle. So let's define the diameter of this to exactly 8. Yes. Finish. And we'll extrude this as well. Extrude. Let's make it exactly 10 height. OK. We'll hide the sketches, Control B and Control B from here. Now let's understand the option. So I want to project this portion sketch in other plane. So we'll create one plane from here. We'll select this and define this to be 15 distance and OK. We'll select the sketch, select this plane and OK. Now we'll take the option is called project curve. So what do you want to project, that you can select here. I'll select all the lines, rectangular part, and select all the circles that we want to project it. Even I select this circle also, apply. So like this way we projected a sketch. Cancel it. So this is how we can use project. Now let's see the next option. I'll take one plane, other side. Let's take this side plane and do OK. I'll select this plane and OK. I want to project this sketches, this edges of the circular body. If I use project command, see what will happen. I cannot select that. I can select this edge. I can select the remaining other edges. Apply. That will be get projected. See that it is projected, but that lines, that height, that do not projected. I finish it and delete this sketch. We deselect that plane and do OK. So instead of using normal project option, we use salute. When we have circular body, in that cases we use salute curve method. Now if I select this circular body, you can see easily it's selected and it pick all the edges. You apply it. You can see that it has been projected. If you modify the body also now, this curve will be changed accordingly because they are associated with each other. So let's see if I make some changes in the diameter. Let's go to sketcher part of this part body. So I'll just edit the sketch and making this to 6 and say yes. So its position only changed. Let's click on that and reposition it. And finish it. You can see this size also get changed. This becomes 6 only. Because they are associated. When we projecting it, we have option to choose associated. Let's see the next option now. Now let's create the bisector plane. Go to plane and select the bisector plane. select this face and select this face. We'll get the bisector plane between that. Do okay. I'll make another side also. I'll take bisector. Let me select this face and this face also. Do okay. So I produce some bisector plane. Now what I want to get a curve of crossing part. So first let me take this slender line and this edge line on this plane. I'm using this plane for my intersection. Selecting this plane and okay. Now I'll go for intersection curve. So if I select this part, you can see because this plane is intersecting with that part, so here one line is produced. Apply. Again you can go, you select the same part, you have option 1 to 3, you can change the side. You need other side, you can change and make it other side also. Apply. You can see here it will give you other side intersection also. Like I want to take a projection of, I want to take intersection of this part also, because plane is intersecting with this body also now. If I go to again intersection, I select this face, you can see it is making intersection. If you reverse it by, okay, apply. So like that way we can get the intersections. So you can do in the 3D body, you can do in the surface part also. If you have two surface body, in that also we can do. Let's generate some surface body. So I'll just create surfaces here. Let's create one surface. Okay. And we'll extrude it. We'll take extrude option. I'll keep it symmetrical and add some depth to the part. Okay. Let's use another plane now. I will create something on that. So I'm using sketch and let's take another plane. Okay. Let's create something that should be intersect that. Let me create a curve. I'll make that curve and finish it. I'll extrude this downward side. I'll extrude it. So it's going other direction. We can change the direction of extrusion. So this is Z direction. We'll go for Z direction extrusion and reverse the direction. We'll be making intersection here. Apply. So these two curves that we have, the two surfaces we have that is intersecting. I want to get an intersection curve here. You can select that plane or the faces in which you're going to draw. Let's select this face. I want to draw it. Do okay. So if you go to intersection curve, select the surface which is crossing your plane and apply. So like that way we can produce an intersection of this two. See, this intersection curve is produced. Now here let's understand how to get intersection point. So I'm using this plane for the intersection purpose. Do okay. I want to get a point for this part, so let me show you. So we'll go to the option intersection point. So this plane is crossing here. Now this part is also it's crossing, this part edge is also crossing, this edge is also crossing. So wherever it's crossing, we can make the points there. So first let me select this part. You can see I got one point here. If I need that, apply. Again I'll select it. I need a point other side. We can reverse it from here. Cycle solution. We'll get the another option. Or I can select the edges also. Apply. You'll get the point here. And I want to make a point here. I can select apply it. We'll get the point here. Like see this way. So anything you can select where you want to make. Like I want to make a point on these two edges. We can select this face to draw, for example. So this edges will be intersection. This edges are all intersection for this edge. So if I go for intersection point and if I select this and apply, one point will be produced there. Or let's select similarly this side intersection point. I'll select this, apply. You can see that point will be created. So like this way we can produce intersection points also. So we have seen all projection curve, salute curve, intersection curve and intersection point method. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.